what's going on, guys? Well, today I'm gonna show you how to get to that bolt that's holding the headlight in place. I know a lot of people have been asking, oh, how do you take off the bolt, how do you remove it? And I know it's a part in the video that I had posted a while back, or last year actually. I didn't show that because I guess my camera went off, I don't remember what. But today I'm gonna show you how to get to it and how to remove it. And it's a pain in the ass to get it. I mean, the bolt's somewhere over here. Let me see if the camera could see it. I know it's somewhere right here. Hold on, let me see if I can position this crap better. Well, you see it right there? That's the bolt. That is the bolt right there ready to remove. Well, before I forget, the tools you will need for this is it's a ratchet with a 10mm socket. That will come in handy. So hopefully, and a flashlight, of course, if you want to be in there. But I mean, you can't really see in there anyway, so I hope I can get a better view for you guys. Alright guys, so I'm trying to show you guys a better angle. So anyways, that's the headlight right there. And you see the little bracket right there at the end? That's where the bolt will be at. So we'll follow that. And let's see if it shows. See that silver bolt? That's right there. It's out of focus, but it's there. You can see that headlight bracket, and there's a bolt right there. I don't know if you can see it, but let me see if I can point to it. So anyways, there's a bolt right there. You see it? I'm pointing right at it. So we have to remove that. So try to take it off. Anyways, finally got it off. Here it is. This little bolt is such a pain in the ass to get out, but I got it out. I actually put it back in there just to show you guys where it was at and how to get it out. And man, I'm telling you, it's a mission to get it out. But once you take it out, hopefully you guys don't put it back in there. But if you do, hey, that's you, that's your business. But as for me, I will never put this damn bolt back in there, because man, how much of a pain in the ass it is to take this little one bolt off. Well, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it, because I know I didn't. And until next time, guys, see you, stay safe.